Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Okay guys, so I did find this on Instagram, a BoxyCharm sneak peek. Now this is showing a possible future spoiler for BoxyCharm. It shows that Face Halo may be coming. This was also shown on Joe's Instagram story. So I'll show you a little bit of that story right here. So tell me what you guys think. Do you think Face Halo might be in a future BoxyCharm box? I know they are introducing new brands. This is the first time I've heard of this brand. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below. And again, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, if you would for me, rate the video, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, thumbs down. If you didn't, that shows me exactly which videos you guys are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.